Warren is calling it an ugly day, saying the president is taking aim at people who've been following the law. Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren saying the Supreme Court got it wrong when it ruled the Trump administration has the power to cancel temporary protected status for thousands of Haitians and Syrians.
The protections were meant to be there as long as there was still a threat at home. And for example, particularly with Haiti, that threat is bigger than ever.
On OTR, Senator Warren says the president is punishing people who have followed the law.
These are not people who are here unlawfully. These are not people who are undocumented. These are people who followed the law, who listened to the United States of America.
Homeland Security's general counsel praised the ruling, saying TPS is supposed to be temporary. He called it a win for the rule of law and common sense. The ruling is expected to have a major impact on those who rely on TPS to live and work in the United States, and it could lead to deportations of thousands of immigrants in Massachusetts alone.
This is a really ugly day for the people of the United States of America, and a very hard personal day for us in Massachusetts.
The Attorney General says there are about 45,000 people from Haiti with TPS protections in Massachusetts, adding about 1,500 of them work in Massachusetts nursing care facilities. Live in the newsroom, Charmin Sacchetti, WCVB News Center 5.